Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of additive manufacturing, also known as three-dimensional printing. Visit us at www.agstech.net for more. Instead of cutting away material, additive manufacturing builds objects layer by layer. Imagine a super precise hot glue gun that can magically transform digital designs into physical objects. This technology is a game changer, folks. It allows us to create complex shapes and intricate designs that were impossible with traditional manufacturing methods. From lightweight aircraft components to customized medical implants, additive manufacturing is revolutionizing industries across the board. But it's not just about building cool stuff. It's about efficiency and sustainability too. Additive manufacturing reduces waste by using only the material needed for each part. Plus, it allows for on-demand production, so we can say goodbye to massive inventories and long lead times. Now, let's meet some of the key players in the additive manufacturing world. Stereolithography, or SLA, uses a UV laser to solidify liquid resin layer by layer, creating highly accurate and detailed models. Think delicate jewelry or dental crowns. POLYJET jets droplets of photopolymer onto a build platform, kind of like an inkjet printer but with way cooler results. POLYJET is perfect for creating prototypes with different materials and colors. FUSED-Deposition Modeling, or FDM, is like a hot glue gun on steroids. It extrudes a thermoplastic filament through a heated nozzle, building parts layer by layer. This versatile method is widely used in prototyping and hobbyist three-dimensional printing. Selective Laser Sintering, or SLS, uses a powerful laser to fuse powdered materials like nylon or metal, creating strong and durable parts. This method is ideal for aerospace and automotive applications. Electron beam melting, or EBM, also uses a powerful energy beam, but this time it's an electron beam that melts metal powder. This process creates incredibly strong and precise parts for demanding industries like aerospace and medical. Three-dimensional printing, or 3DP, is a broad term that encompasses various additive manufacturing techniques, but it often refers to methods that use a binder to join powder materials together. 3DP is versatile and can create large, complex objects. Ready to unlock the full potential of additive manufacturing? Look no further than AGS-TECH. We are your one-stop shop for all things additive, from cutting-edge equipment to expert consulting services. Our team of experienced engineers and technicians is passionate about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with additive manufacturing. We work closely with our clients to understand their unique needs and develop customized solutions that help them achieve their goals. Whether you're looking to streamline your prototyping process, produce custom tooling, or explore new manufacturing possibilities, AGS-TECH has the expertise and resources to help you succeed. This is just a glimpse into the fascinating world of additive manufacturing. I encourage you to visit our website, www.agstech.net, to learn more about this game-changing technology and how AGS-TECH can help you harness its power. Don't just dream it, build it.